Hello and welcome to Wise Exotics. I'm your host Trevor, and today we're going to be discussing part 2 of the Veitchii Informational series. Now, this is a series I'm doing to answer questions and inquiries I've had that kind of repeated themselves, so I thought this would be a helpful, quick reference source to watch or get the information. Going down, we've discussed the K and the M's from Exotica plant, how they're a plentiful breeder in a lot of, breeding programs and nurseries they're in. Now, with Borneo Exotics, there are some interesting seed-grown limbs you can obtain. There is the 3734, there's the 4021, the 4033, and the like. The 4021, however, was a limited run, and there are not that many available to purchase now, but a lot of them have very interesting traits. Mine actually got 2 leaves one time, which was a dual leaf trait, which was really neat. So far, that one is a pinkish red with yellow and red striping. Very neat. Going down the line, Red Leaf Exotics. Dominic, or Dom as he's referred to by many, has A, B, C, D, E, as well as X. Now, X has also been redone with Carnivoro, to my understanding, as well. The A and B are Candy Dreams, so is the E grex, is Candy Dreams, which is the father, crossed with another plant. A is MX Candy Dreams, B is Morodex Lowland Candy Dreams, and the E is a Barrio X Candy Dreams, which is a reddish one, kind of like it, so it'll make some really nice progeny. The D is a Barrio X Barrio, no Candy Dreams involved. The C is a Red Tiger, which is, I believe, a K crossed with another one I can't remember offhand, honestly. The GF Wong one, which is X, is something people were really looking forward to because GF Wong passed. It is one of his legacy plants. It is named after him, and kind of the same way I believe Peter D'Amato's Brigsiana, that's called Peter D'Amato Brigsiana, is named after him. It's a neat little legacy from them. GF Wong is, I believe, a K. It has a very high neck, a lot of stripes, age is kind of bronzy. It's very squat and crossed with Candy Dreams, which is, again, another well-known cultivator, red with flare. Candy Dreams, though, is a little more polymorphic than I'm a little comfortable with in some ways. I've seen Candy Dreams in some collections that were almost pink to tan in the body, but sometimes that was a smaller specimen. Once it aged up a bit, it became more red. Candy Dreams ages red and yellow striped. It does not get a bronzing usually that I've seen, at least in their end. Usually the bronzing or color discoloration is the yellow, which starts as kind of like a light yellow, just gets to a darker yellow, makes it very intense with the red stripes. Some of them will age and the reds will kind of blend a little bit with that yellow aging. Some Veitchii can age brown, green, red, kind of wine colored red to almost black. So keep that in mind. Now, Candy Dreams also has some unique traits that are passed along to its progeny. Speckling. It has variegated leaves, technically. It gets red speckled variegation, same as like Black Miracle and some of those lowland hybrids. It also can get it on the wings of its traps, and again, so can its progeny. Some examples of those wings I can show right here. This is not bred with Candy Dreams. This is Pink Barrio, Pink Candy Veitchii Barrio. This is one of the descendants here from Candy Dreams, Minimax Candy Dreams, speckling on the leaf. Speckling can be seen on the wings as well, though I don't know about the spotting. I think that's just from the minima. Same thing on like this A, gets it on the wings. It gets speckles on the traps as well. Yes, this one is very red. This one takes after Dad very much, and this one takes after Mom a lot. So take that as you will. But as you can see, the difference between an aged trap here is more like a yellow gold. So at least it gets that from its dad. Same thing with my B. Now the Bs will get a lot bigger leafage just because they have that lowland genetics. The A's tend to be very slow because they're in MX Candy Dreams. For whatever reason, tend to be very slow progressive growing traps. I don't know why, but that's just how it works. My little a is right here, actually. But it's just something that's part of their genetics. So if you have something with candy dreams, you might get one with some crazy speckling in the leaf or none. It could appear on the traps or other. As an example, this variegation type can be almost black to red. It appears in plenty of lowland hybrids. On some, it can be just a pure red, like this one's really pretty. Some of them can be very faint. But one little neat trait for these is you can actually kind of reverse the leaf and see it through the leaf. It's not so much burning through like a burn or a leaf blush or scorching. So keep that in mind. These are some interesting traits that are a part of those grexes. Any other questions or whatnot that do arise, I will probably make a part 3 for the series. So that is it. Best regards, Trevor out.